Hello friends, welcome to the channel. It's a pleasure to see you here. And today I would like to introduce you to Enzyme Concentrate, a concentrated cleaner that uses natural enzymes to clean a variety of surfaces and fabrics. If you are looking for an eco-friendly, effective, and versatile cleaning option, Enzyme Concentrate may be a great choice for you. If you are tired of using harsh chemicals that do more harm than good, Enzyme Concentrate is the solution you have been looking for. It is completely safe, natural, and biodegradable, which means you can use it without worrying about your health or the environment. Enzyme Concentrate is made with non-toxic and biodegradable ingredients, making it a safe and eco-friendly option for your home. It is highly effective at removing tough stains, odors, and dirt, and is ideal for use on clothing, carpets, rugs, floors, and kitchen and bathroom surfaces. If you are enjoying this content and want to continue receiving more tips and relevant information, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Also, if you can leave a like on the video, it helps a lot in spreading the content and encourages me to keep bringing the best to you. I'm sure it's worth being part of this community and learning more and more together. Another advantage of Enzyme Concentrate is that it is highly concentrated, which means you can dilute it with water to create a cleaning solution customized to your needs. It is easy to use and will not harm sensitive surfaces. With Enzyme Concentrate, you can be sure that you are using a safe and effective product to clean your home. Best of all, you can save money, as a single bottle of Enzyme Concentrate can last a long time. If you are not completely satisfied with Enzyme Concentrate, we offer a money-back guarantee within 30 days. So, there's no risk for you to try it out. I will leave you a card from another video about another septic tank cleaner that is very good and also helps the environment. Don't waste any more time struggling with hard-to-clean stains, odors, and grime. Try Enzyme Concentrate today and discover the power of natural enzymes to clean your home safely and effectively. Click the link below to purchase now. Thank you for your attention. So, if you want to make your life easier and more efficient, sign up for the House of Solutions right now and start taking advantage of our practical tips and solutions. Don't forget to enable notifications so you don't miss any of our videos. Thanks for watching, and until next time.